In 2025, small house living has evolved beyond necessity, it's become an art form. Designers around the world are reimagining compact spaces as bold expressions of personal style, environmental awareness, and aesthetic excellence. With the right lighting and a keen eye for furniture colors, even the tiniest footprint can feel like a curated sanctuary. This is not about compromise, this is about creating big beauty within small dimensions. Lighting is no longer just a fixture, it's an experience. In today's compact homes, warm ambient lighting helps shape the mood of each space, creating intimacy and calm. Layered lighting techniques, from soft pendant glows to recessed LED highlights, bring both depth and character. It's all about using light like a sculptor, carving out moments and zones that evoke serenity, focus, or connection, depending on the time of day. In 2025, furniture hues are taking cues from nature. Think sun-baked terracotta, olive green, creamy sand, and muted clay. These grounding tones bring warmth and timelessness to small interiors, reflecting a global desire for stability and calm. Paired with minimalist forms, these colors help blur the boundaries between indoors and out, especially in spaces that open to gardens or patios. Earth tones are no longer trends, they're design anchors. Minimalism in small homes isn't about starkness anymore. It's about refinement. This year's aesthetic leans into textures, linen, boucle, matte ceramics, and graceful silhouettes that invite rather than intimidate. The absence of clutter becomes an invitation to mindfulness. Furniture choices are deliberate, with each item serving both form and function. When every piece has purpose, elegance naturally follows. hidden lighting features have become design essentials. Undershelf LEDs, wall-mounted strips, and toe-kick lights add functionality without visual noise. These subtle illuminations highlight textures, create visual boundaries, and make the entire space feel more dynamic and spacious. It's not about flashy gadgets, it's about quiet innovation that uplifts daily living. In compact homes, furniture is more than utility, it's storytelling. A sculptural chair in a dusty lavender, a mustard yellow bench beneath a window, or a rust-colored modular sofa brings life to the space. Bold but curated choices define each room's personality, proving that you don't need volume to make a visual impact. Designers now see furniture as the home's vocabulary, expressive, intentional, and deeply personal. Glow zones are the new design buzz. These are intentional pools of light that define functions, reading nooks, kitchen counters, or cozy corners. Rather than uniform brightness, glow zones celebrate contrast. The interplay of shadow and light brings a cinematic quality to the home, making everyday moments feel magical. It's lighting not just for utility, but for poetry. Harsh lines are giving way to soft curves and organic forms. Rounded edges on tables, wavy mirrors, and arched lighting fixtures make small homes feel more fluid and relaxed. These gentle shapes encourage movement and ease, counterbalancing the rigid layouts often imposed by limited square footage. The result is a space that feels alive, flowing, and wholly human. One of 2025's boldest trends is color-drenched rooms. Designers are embracing monochromatic themes where a single shade flows across walls, furniture, and textiles. From muted sage to stormy blue, this approach creates unity and sophistication, especially in small spaces. Color-drenched designs feel immersive and intentional, making even the simplest room feel like an art installation. Light fixtures are stepping into the spotlight, literally. Pendant lights shaped like folded paper, brushed metal rings, or blown glass clouds bring sculptural presence to any room. These lighting pieces double as art, adding visual drama without cluttering floor space. In a small home, one striking light feature can anchor the entire design story. While earth tones and monochromes lead, playful accents still have a place. A pop of cobalt in the kitchen stools, a splash of coral in a cushion, or even a teal vase on a natural wood shelf brings joy to a composed palette. These accent moments give rooms personality without overpowering the calm foundation. Think jazz notes in a classical score. What makes a home luxurious in 2025 isn't square footage, it's the design intention. Tactile materials, thoughtful color, sculptural lighting, and smart layouts turn compact dwellings into elevated experiences. People are realizing they don't need more space to live well, they need better space. And in that shift, the small house becomes a stage for elegance, comfort, and beauty. The future of home design lies in innovation and restraint. As we enter 2025, stylish small houses showcase that elegance isn't about excess, it's about clarity, atmosphere, and harmony. Through carefully chosen lighting and trend-forward furniture colors, we craft homes that feel both intimate and inspiring. This is the era of small with soul, where every light, line, and color tells a story worth living.